Bring chargeable power anywhere you go with the solar panel by Nature's generator. Charge up to 100 watts with the eco-friendly solar panel. The panel is reinforced with 3.2 millimeters of anti-reflective safety glass. This outdoor-ready solar panel is built to last throughout the seasons. With 2 durable wheels, take the panel anywhere with comfort. It also features 2 bolt rings so you can lay securely on a surface if needed. To maximize efficiency, choose between summer and winter tilt positions to catch the sun at any time of the year. This panel is compatible with inverter generators by Nature's Generators. The anodized aluminum frame is sturdy and lightweight. With foldable legs and transport wheels, this eco-friendly panel can be set up anywhere. Enjoy the outdoors and keep your emissions at a minimum with the solar panel by Nature's Generator.